Hi, welcome to LookMyProject.com.
The paper you have requested is T-Drive enhancing driving directions with taxi drivers intelligence. Let's have a look on our abstract. Finding efficient driving directions has become daily activity and been implemented as a key feature in many mapping services. A fast driving route saves not only the time of a driver but also energy consumptions. Therefore, this service is important for both end users and governments aiming to ease traffic problem and provide environment. Essentially, the time that a driver travels a route depends on the following three aspects: the physical feature of the route, such as distance, capacities, and number of traffic lights, as well as direction turns, the time-dependent traffic flow on the route, and the user driving behavior. Given some routes, cautious drivers will likely drive relatively slower than those preferring driving very fast and aggressively. Also, users' driving behaviors usually vary in their progressing driving experiences. For example, traveling on an unfamiliar route, a user has to pay attention to the road signs, hence drive relatively slowly. Thus, a good routing service should consider these three aspects: routes, traffic, and drivers, which are far beyond the scope of the shortest path and fastest path computing. Usually, big cities have large number of taxi cabs traversing in urban areas. For efficient taxi dispatching and monitoring, taxis are usually equipped with a GPS sensor which enables them to report their location to a server at regular intervals, example 2 to 3 minutes. That is, lot of GPS equipped taxis is already exist in major cities, generating huge number of GPS trajectories every day. Intuitively, taxi drivers are experienced drivers who can usually find out the fastest route to send passengers to the destination based on their knowledge. When selecting driving directions besides the distance of a route, they also consider other factors such as time, variant, traffic flows on road surface, traffic signals, and direction changes contained in a route. In this paper, we propose a cloud-based cyber physical system for computing practically fastest routes for a particular user using large number of GPS-equipped taxis and user GPS-enabled phone. First, GPS-equipped taxis are used as a mobile sensor probing the traffic rhythm of a city in the physical world. Second, a cloud in the cyber world to build, aggregate, and mine the information from these taxis as well as other sources from internet like web messages and weather forecasts. The mined knowledge includes intelligence of taxi drivers in choosing driving directions and traffic patterns on road surface. Third, the knowledge in cloud is used to serve internet users and ordinary drivers in the physical world. Finally, a mobile client typically running in a user's GPS phone accepts a user query and communicates with the cloud and presents the result to the user. The mobile phone gradually learns a user driving behavior from user driving routes and supports the cloud to customize a practically fastest route for the user.
Now let us have a look on our data flow diagram. Input GPS logger data, then pre-process the data. In pre-process step, we need to identify the duplicated values and null values. After removing all those values, we need to assign queries. Query instance, we need to provide starting and destination points. Then we need to identify matched taxi trajectories. After identifying matched taxis, we need to detect landmarks. Then detecting landmarks, we need to build landmark graph and estimate travel time estimation. For the travel time estimation, we are applying VE clustering. Once the travel time has been estimated, we need to identify route computing and generate the rough route. Based on the rough route, we need to provide a possible route to the users. Now let's see the demo of our project. First, we need to run main.java and T-Drive source package. We need to switch data set first. Select the data set in T dataset and click open. Now click next. Here select view data. Then click load data. The data will be loaded now. Now the data set is loaded successfully. Then click pre-process. We need to pre-process now. Now the data has been pre-processed and it will show the cleaned records and total taxi trajectories. So after that, click next. we need to extract starting and destination point. Click extract points to get the starting and destination point. So we need to select the latitude and longitude positions for the starting and destination points. Then click landmark extraction. First we need to identify intermediate nodes between the starting and destination latitude longitude positions. Then we need to identify the taxis that covers these starting and destination points. Click taxi ID. And click matched taxis. So the total number of taxis are matched with the starting and destination points. Then we need to extract landmarks. First we need to extract landmarks. So after landmark direction we need to identify travel time estimation. Once the travel time is estimated, we need to identify the distance based on VE clustering. So the travel distance has been calculated. Then click next. So we need to identify the custom route. First click custom route. The custom route has been extracted. Then click view. It will give the taxi ID which we have chosen and the distance it covers for the latitude and longitude portion and the travel time estimation. Then we need to evaluate the routing. Click routing evaluation. It will identify fast rate 1 and fast rate route of the desired starting and destination point. Then click performance. It will show the performance level of existing and proposed method. That's all, the process is over. Thanks for watching clickmyproject.com.